What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and we are live on YouTube, and we have figured out OBS, so I can now look at the live stream and my screen at the exact same time. So now we can move forward with the channel. I asked at least 10 big YouTubers what to use. A lot of people did tell me OBS, and it was very complicated for me because it just was like picture and picture and picture and picture, and I didn't know how to get it out of that. And all you have to do is basically add, you know, a few things to it. So after I figured that out and then figured out the streaming key, which somebody told me about, then it was good to go. Here in the chat, I'm just going to say, hey, what's up, everybody, because I'm really happy with this accomplishment. It might not be a lot to you guys, but now I can show the screen, live stream, show the charts, show the news, and still interact with you all. So that's what's pretty cool about this. Hey, what's up, yo? What up? I should just say, hey, what up? Jeff here with all my renegades. How's everybody doing tonight? We are just getting this live stream started. I just wanted to say hey to everybody in the chat real quick, and now we will go over here. What we're going to be talking about tonight is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Where are they going? You know, what's the future looking like with the market the way it is? Are we going to have to see further retests right now, or are we going to continue further up? Well, it's confirmed we are after 5 o'clock, and that means we close the weekly candle above the 200-day moving average, and that is awesome. Let's go over here and look at this. We just blasted off from 45 all the way up to 47, and it looks a little bit like a cup and handle pattern, but I kind of saw it on Coinbase, but then I look over here at Bitstamp, and I don't really see it in the 4-hour chart. It looks like it's a little too high for that. And over here, we already, that's not a cup and handle. So, I don't know. I don't think that's a cup and handle, what we had over there. I think it just looked like that on Coinbase. But if we kind of get in a little bit closer, you can see this nice little V-shaped recovery that we had. You know, even though so what happened is a head and shoulders pattern right here broke to the downside. And then we have this V-shaped recovery right here. We bounced basically off of every single support that we had. We had some on the 4-hour here. We had support that it bounced off of if you go to the daily chart and look. And this was the crucial level, guys. And this is the freaking good news for Bitcoin, especially coming in the coming weeks. I knew that couldn't have been the way the market was going to end right there. There's no way the market was going to end like that. So I still see the 3 peaks and the domed house playing out. So here's the first, second, third peak. And then even if you look there, there's this exact little dip right here. And then a peak that's lower than these. If you look in the exact pattern, it shows that too. And then you go to the basement. This is the basement. And now we're working on the first floor accumulation again. So we had a big accumulation period, and then go to the first floor, and then accumulate some more before blasting off to the domed house. So we could go sideways for a little while. We're probably going to hit 50,000 pretty soon, especially because now this is support. And look at this 50. Look at the paths of these 2 moving averages right here. They are on a collision course very soon. I think, and this one's moving faster upwards. So if this even if we go up faster, this one could turn and go straight up. And then we're going to meet somewhere like right around here. And then we are that's probably when the, you know, November, it might not happen as fast as I say. So let's go maybe over here. They might meet over here somewhere like in November. And then it might sometimes it takes a while after they intersect like that. for it to blast off. So we might intersect, let's say, let's go over here. They might intersect in November, right? Let's say they intersect right here, or even, mid-September. We might not see those huge gains until all the way over here in December. Before, right here, around December time. So we could see them connect over here somewhere, but we might have gains over here. Or it might do it before, and we just have gains all the way through November to December, and then after December, guys, I'm a little worried that we're going to drop fast. Not worried, but it's coming, right? After we get to the very top and the bear market happens after this bull cycle, a lot of people are going to lose money in the short term if they sell. So this is what I'm telling everybody. If you participated in the 2017 bull market and you bought at the very, very top of the bull market at $20,000 and you just held for four years, look at Bitcoin right now. You would have been more than double your profit right now. More than double. And it's been over 30,000 for months. This was like the last time we were under 30,000 was hold up. We need to look at the top here. Okay. 30,000. I don't think it went to 30,000 here. Well, yeah, so we did, we did go, we wicked down here, 30,000 over here, yeah. But, actually being below it for a significant amount of time, it's been since, right here, that is January 2nd, 2021, was the last time we were significantly lower than $30,000. So, that is how many months, right? Like almost 9 months now? So 8.5, almost 9 months. So that's pretty cool that we stayed above it that long. Yeah, we did have this wick and then this lower wick right here to 28. So you could count those, but look, it didn't stay under there. So that's not what I'm not talking about a wick down there. We haven't been under this level since January. So to think the bull market is over, I know people aren't really talking about that now, but they were for a long time. And that's why I was telling people at 29,000 to buy, accumulate. This is definitely a bear trap right here. The biggest bear trap. And then they almost shook out. They didn't shake people. This shook everything. This shook the market. But then this shook people. This one really shook people right here. And then another last final shakeout, right? That everybody, this was almost a scary little shakeout right here. Everybody, oh, it's going to 20 now. Because look, we hit it once. We hit it twice. Uh-oh. If this wick down there, that might have broke that. And we might have went down to $20,000, right? No, the bear market wasn't. The bull market wasn't over. The bear market didn't take effect. It was just a minor bull, market within a giant bull cycle, and that's what I always said and will say now. I still say that looked like a bull flag to me. It's not now. It did break out, and look at that. Now that line that I drew here, obviously that's a significant support line. Because look, it's higher than the 200-day moving average, so my support resistance line right here is spot on. And then it's spot on here too, so yeah, I'm sticking with that being a bull flag. It didn't play out, but still, it could have. That would have been cool. We would have went to 54,000. It did go up, so it was a bullish signal. It didn't give us, quite the gains that we would expect from a bull flag, but nonetheless, right? I want to look at a couple other coins, but I do want to look a little bit closer at Bitcoin right now at the 1 hour and see if there's anything interesting that I see imminently. Here's the head and shoulders pattern a little bit. Not really, because it just kind of It's like a slope, not a a peak. You know, would you consider that a peak or a slope? I don't know. And that's a definite peak right there. So, I mean, that could be a head and shoulders pattern, but it looks like it already broke to the downside. So, that effect has no relevancy right now. But up here, let's see. I don't know. What do we got going? I think we're just gonna have like an ascending wedge. That's what it looks like. Yes, that's an ascending wedge. I actually heard. I don't know who does the stream with George. I want to find out because those guys, I kind of like that stream today. That was the first time I watched all three of those guys. I normally watch Cryptos R Us. That guy, George, is awesome. I like that channel. You guys check him out if you're not. Good guy. I like watching his streams a lot. I don't know who those other guys, but one of them said that we have an ascending wedge. And I don't know if he was talking about Bitcoin or the 1 hour chart, but I think he was. And he said it looks like we're closer to breaking out to the upside of it than the downside of it. Now I could do that, but that means we broke out of the ascending wedge right there. If I do it that way, it would actually need to even go up a little bit higher than that, like right there probably. But it's all about perspective in this, right? And some people see one thing and some people see another. But if this breaks out to the upside, look, we're almost at 48. Last time we hit 48, we sunk bad, right here. We just, barely touched it, and it was like getting hit by the world's largest sledgehammer. Like on the cartoons when they get hit with the sledgehammer and they shrink to like a pancake size? That's basically what happened with Bitcoin right here. Somebody had a big old mallet and was just like, hashapow. And Bitcoin got the 1-2 heave-ho. But yeah, so hopefully, we'll see tomorrow morning. Look at this volume though. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, we're starting to get some nice volume in. We are a little bit green right now. I think we might be oversold. Let's look at the RSI. See, when you look at the volume, you can kind of tell which way we might be oversold. If there's a lot of green volume and a big candle. If you see a lot of big candles, that's good. So that's not a whole, look at volume back here. That's not a whole lot of volume compared to some. So, but we are, starting to get a little bit of volume going. And if we can confirm this weekend above the 200-day moving average and get some real volume coming in, oh, it's nice. And we're not oversold. Okay, this is the 1 hour. The one that's important is the daily. And good news. I mean, we're close to oversold, which, isn't that great, but we're not. And we can spend some significant amount of time above 70 if we need to. It'll be a bigger smackdown when, the further up we get, because it's like water pressure, right? And look at it this way, and the deeper that you dive, the more pressure that builds up. And the harder it is for you to move because there's more pressure, and it would eventually feel like you were swimming in jello. And so that's what Bitcoin does. The higher up it goes, the more resistance it faces. Like, it's starting to get pressure around it. Pressure. And when that pressure gets to be too much, then Bitcoin goes like a deflated balloon and it goes down really fast. And so that's what happened up here with the 48. There was just too much pressure, or even like an earthquake and two tectonic plates, right? They just, after so much pressure builds up, it has to release somewhere. And that's exactly what happens with Bitcoin and the price, and the RSI, basically. That's what the RSI. It's like your size monitor right here. And it actually kind of looks like one too, right? Well, that's a pretty good metaphor. Because it looks like, one of the readouts for a size monitor person. Yeah, we're kind of oversold, getting there. But the thing is, we could, now that we're above the 200-day moving average, that's why we're not oversold right now. When it was resistance, when the 200-day moving average was resistance, we were oversold every time that we were up at this level right here at 47. This price right here, oh, we would have been up in 70 for sure. But since we were able to break that resistance, right, and continue above the 200-day moving average, turn that into support by closing above it on the weekly, now you have a deflationary effect, but not like with a new initial coin offering where they, if you trade the coin or send it somewhere, they take some of the coin. That's called a deflationary token. This is like, you know, kind of taking a little bit of the air out of a tire that's too full. That's what we did here. I got all sorts of analogies for you today. I don't know why. But Bitcoin looks like it's going to go strong. Let's look at Ethereum. Sorry about that. Let's look at Ethereum and then see what we got over there. I think we're, well, I'll get back to what I think the prices are going to be later. Let's just look at Ethereum right now. This is ugly looking. I'm sorry. Sometimes it just happens. All right, what is this? The daily? Okay. Look at Ethereum go. I mean, that is a definite ascending wedge on Ethereum. Look at that. I mean, that is almost a cup and handle pattern. If we go up higher without going, you know, too far down, I think this could be a cup and handle pattern maybe right about here. If we get up, or whatever the price, you know, $4,200. Didn't we go to, was that the highest Ethereum went? I thought it went to $6,000. Was it only 4,200? Yeah, it was, because I said the next price is going to be 6,500. But yeah, so it went to 42, maybe even a little higher. All the highest I see is 42 though. Wait, was that 43? Yeah, 43.80. That's the highest I've seen it. And so if we can get back up to that price, which isn't, you know, it's about $1,500 more, then I could see a cup and handle pattern forming, and that would be a really bullish signal for Bitcoin. So that would be nice to see. But look at this. All resistance that Ethereum has faced since we fell off of the bull cycle before, we're above that by so far. I mean, they have been so far above the moving averages in Ethereum for a while that it's just healthy. Why would you not buy a coin, you know, that's doing this well? Not financial advice at all, right? And for entertainment purposes, common sense, we look at what the coin does, look at the project, the bull cycle continues. Would I buy it at 3,300? Well, when I was just buying this thing at 1,700 about a month ago, or not even a month ago, I might dollar cost average it. That's what I would do. Would I put $10,000 in Ethereum right now and hope to make a $10,000 profit? Well, if it doubles in price, I mean, you're going to probably want to hold for a little while if you do that. Not financial advice again, just, you know, you got to mitigate the risk with reward, right? It has obviously been able to go to $4,300 before. Now, do you believe that this coin is done for? Do you think that that is the highest that this coin will ever go? That's another thing you have to look at. Is this project able to get above 43.80 in a matter of time that would do you well? If you don't think it's going to happen for the next 5 years and you need the money in a year, well, then it's probably not the right time for you to invest in that particular thing. So it depends on your situation. Never get greedy. Always do your research. And that doesn't mean just listen to what I say. That means listen to what I say, okay, but then go do some more research. Do the best you can. I know sometimes it's hard to find research, and I'm the only research that you got. Well, if that's the case, you really have to find something more, or be willing to risk the consequences that come with not having more information. Every time you only use one source of information, you are at risk for making an uninformed decision, and therefore not a smart decision in my opinion. So I try not to do that. I've done it before. I'm sure we all have. We learn from it and we move forward and try not to make the same mistake again. That's how we handle it. Let's see who all's over in the live chat. I haven't seen concurrent viewers. Is anybody on here right now? I can't even tell. Ooh, 0 likes too. Where's all my peeps at? I need to get some peeps over here now. Oh, I didn't tell anybody I was live streaming. This was kind of fast, so yeah, let's try to share it over to Twitter. Pretty cool now that I have this set up like this, huh, guys? So, yeah, we can do all of this. So, playbook. I don't know what I want to call this. What is this even called? Oh, here we go. Edit. Wait, if I edit it, okay, there we go. So if you guys are just tuning in, all I'm doing is trying to let everybody know we're live streaming right now. This is my first live stream on OBS that I've actually been able to live stream and show my screen at the same time. So now you can see my ugly mug and the computer screen too. So that's pretty cool. I just need to tell everybody and Express Crypto to come over here because they're the ones that always support me the most on the live streams. And it's just like kind of being in the chat over there. So it's pretty cool when I get them guys coming over here to hang out. Wait, what? Not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Uh-oh. What does that mean? So maybe my computer isn't able to run this. Oh, buffering. Don't buffer them. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sorry, my stream is having a little bit of stream health issues right now. So if you are receiving an error, I apologize. This is why the free stuff always fails. They really want you to use the paid stuff. So live stream right now. So what I'm doing is getting everybody from Express Crypto over here to the live stream, and maybe YouTube. If I have more people on the live stream, it will work a little bit better. You never know. Live stream on right now on YouTube. Come join the conversation about crypto. And it supports, I'm not going to put that, all about crypto. Add, okay, and then I got to get, whoops, actually I'm going to delete the add part because I need to do, yep, I knew it was going to do that. That's why I deleted the ad, so I didn't have to pay for it. Well, the ad, I didn't send a link. I accidentally pressed the send button before I put the link in there. That's why I erased the ad part before I put the link in there. I learned my lesson. Copy live stream. Okay, now here. So what I need to do is just get the link now. If I can get the link, then I can send the link. If I can get the link, then I can send the link. Wait, where is it? It's not over here on YouTube. What's going on here? I wonder if anybody can even see my video. I can't even see it. Hold on. Are we live? Yep, there it is. Okay. I'm like, where are we? I can't even find it. Can even see my video. I can't even see it. Hold on. What does this look like? Okay, let's go to this and see what it looks like. I can't even find it. Okay. What does this look like? Okay, let's go to this and see what it looks like. Live chat. Nope, I need to share. There we go. Copy. Sorry, guys. This is my first live stream on OBS. This is a free platform where I'm able to show you not only the screen, but my face as well, and an actual big box, not just that little tiny one. This is a free platform where I'm able to show you not only the screen, but... Let's turn that down. I don't need an echo. Okay, so here we go. And then now I just have to put the ad part in, and I'm good to go. So, Bajouge ad, send. Cool. What we're doing tonight is talking about the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So, we have already talked about Bitcoin and how freaking healthy it is, and we've talked about Ethereum a little bit, so I'm going to continue talking about Ethereum, and then we're going to go in and talk about XRP, and then we're going to look at our awesome communities banner projects. So, we had 10 contestants that all worked day and night, months, weekends, nights. They didn't eat for months at a time, and, you know, they sold their houses and their cars to be able to finish the project, so, they put everything into them, but they did work really hard, and we have a bunch of cool designs, that will be the official logo, banner, not logo, the banner for the YouTube channel Bitcoin Renegade, which is the channel, of course, you're watching right now. Kind of weird I speak in third party, right? But sometimes that's fun. Actually, so what else? Yeah, so what you need to do is go to that video and vote for your favorite banner and show your support for the Bitcoin Renegade community. 10 different people did it. So far, we have about 80 or 90 votes. I wasn't able to promote it the way that I wanted to right off the bat. It was only going to be a 72-hour competition. Since we're talking about it right now, I might as well go in and show you. It was supposed to be a 72-hour competition from Friday to Monday, and we were going to announce the winner on Monday. Well, all day, all night Friday, and all day Saturday, I wasn't able to advertise it. So we got over 310 views with no advertising, which is really good for the channel. So it was a success. But now I want to advertise it and see if we can't get it to a couple thousand views. I'm trying to get us to at least 200 comments. 260, hopefully. So we have 75 comments so far. Let's go look at the last one and show you how awesome it did, guys. Because of you. Look at this. 120 comments. With 747 views. And that was the 250 subscriber, $25 subscriber logo competition. And it had 700 views, 120 comments, and we had a lot of interaction. It was amazing. 53 likes. It was awesome. And it was basically just our community coming together and, you know, being amazing like we are. So, now we're doing it again. And we're at 40 likes, 100% of the people. Freaking awesome. And we're only at 332 views. So 75 comments. We need, it looks like 45 more to tie the last video. I think we can double it, guys. As a community, as crypto lovers, supporting one another in, you know, what we do, we can do this. We can have at least 260. Or wait, that said 120. We'll even go for, let's say 240. 240 comments. Let's just double it. So 1,500 views and 120 comments, 106 likes. I think we can do that. I think we can double it. And we're going to give it all the way, at least maybe, let's see, today is Sunday. So we already missed 2 days of the promotion. So what I'm going to do, we're either going to have it Tuesday. Let's see. Let me think about this for a second. Sorry. Okay. We're either going to have it Wednesday if we stop getting views. And if we continue getting views, continue getting votes, then we're going to wait until the live stream on Friday. But now that I have OBS, I'm going to be live streaming Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then maybe on the weekend too, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be doing more live streams. I think they do better. I can interact with you guys better. I like that. That's the part of our community that we are. And as we're growing, we're going to grow into that a little bit more as well. Being more interactive in the community, like these kind of contests that we're doing. I have a lot of maybe trivia games that we could play and in the chat. And I might like pin a trivia thing on there, and instead of the coolest comment, we'll do, well, whoever can answer this question, this riddle, whatever this is, and then they win some money or something, right? So I just have tons of ideas, and they keep coming too. So this channel is going to be awesome. I can't do it without you guys. Every single time that you smash the like button, comment on the channel, subscribe to the channel if you're not, you help put this in the forefront of YouTube crypto area. We become like, you know, boss hog. They can't take us down. We beat the algorithm together. You know, every like you do it, you basically are taking control back from YouTube when you do that. Every time you hit that like button, you're telling them that you get to control what you watch, you get to control what you like, and there's nothing that they can do about it. So, well, I'm sure there's something they could do about it, but you're telling them you have a voice, and it's going to be heard. So, I can't really talk a lot on Express Crypto because I'm doing the live stream right now, but I want to try to get some of the guys over here. Anyone coming? So I can't look at the live chat from this video right here. So if you guys did a live chat vote, you're going to have to vote again. I'm sorry, guys. If I can somehow get in there and find it. But somebody had mentioned something on there, and it wasn't even meant derogatory, but I think the chat got erased because of it. So if not, I'll try to find it. Maybe it's hidden somewhere. I never turned off hide chat. That I did not do. So it was YouTube, I believe, that did that. So we'll figure that out. XRP though, baby. Man, I'm so excited about XRP. It is just kicking, you know, it is just going through the motions right now. XRP to the moon. So look at it, $1.30. What? What? Yeah. Okay. Look at it though. Yeah. Wait, what is that? What? Is that a green candle? Yeah. Are we gonna go up? Okay. Dang. Am I gonna double my money? Yeah. Did you double your money? What? I said, did you double your money? Okay. No. Did you double your money? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, we are over. Whoa. On the daily, look at XRP super oversold here. Man, can you believe how oversold it is? But you can kind of hang out up here for a minute. See back here? 60s, 83, 87, 68, it went down below. And then it hung out at like 73, 79. See, when it's on a tear like this, look at that, because it went up here, it spiked, and then boom, it spiked again after that. It spiked to like, 79, and then it went down to 71, and then all the way to 77, 83. We're at 83 on the RSI right now, but Look at that. I think XRP might need a cool off. I want it to keep going higher. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll go sideways, or sideways, and this will go down and deflate it a little bit, because it looks like we're above all the moving averages on here by a long shot. So I mean, the whole market is just super healthy right now. XRP, when they win the SEC case, when they win, it's gonna skyrocket so much. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna have like at least maybe 10,000 XRP. I really, really want to get that many. When it goes down to like 40 cents, if it ever will again, I think I'm gonna just pick up as much as possible, because that's a huge risk with the SEC. Look at that, 33 cents right there. You could have, ooh, 22 cents? Yeah, look at that. Oh, nope. That was just me being stupid. Don't listen to me there, guys. I was being dumb. But yeah, it did go down to 58 cents, 55, 51. I think 51 was the lowest. So you would only almost tripled your money right now. You'd be like 2.5 times your profit right now. So XRP all the way, P. Diddy. Okay, it looks like the stream is healthy. Wow, dude. This is why I was worried about doing live streams, because now there's nobody here. I guess yeah, and my last video only got 10 views too. Like, what is going on? Yeah, so I don't know. Nobody wants to come and hang out, huh? Yeah, it's picture in picture right now. That's funny. I wasn't even trying to cheat at all, but there's like nobody on here. Now it's 4 likes, 2 concurrent viewers. Come on, Express Crypto, get over here. Get over here and help. Oh, Atheros. Nice. The homie's here. Hello. How are you today, man? Thanks for coming. I can't believe you woke up. I hope your head's feeling better, man. Yes, Askio. Now we're getting there, guys. We're getting people. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Guys, have you noticed anything different about the stream today? I figured out OBS thanks to me Zhang. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I never knew how to pronounce her name, but she's a nice lady. Never had a problem with her. Most of the moderators over there are awesome people. So I hope your head's okay, bro. And yeah, this live stream we're doing good. Look at XRP. Can you believe how high the RSI is for XRP right now? Here, let's get rid of that, hopefully. Yeah, look at this. Look how high the RSI is right now for XRP. It's 84% right now. And somehow we're still like holding strong above. So when Bitcoin just went and had like a little reversal back down to like 45,000 and then started this crazy little cup and handle pattern that I saw on Coinbase. It's not really as defined on Bitstamp right here, but you can kind of see it. It went up a little bit too high to really be a cup and handle. So really, I just see an ascending wedge right here. So that means if we break out to the upside of this right here, we are definitely going to 50,000 today. So that's the only thing. And we closed on the weekly above, gosh, my throat hurts. We closed on the weekly above the 200-day moving average. Yeah, I might have a cold. I've had a headache all day myself, not a migraine, but I think it's, going around. I felt really bad yesterday, nasally, and then today it went. You know how when you feel it in your nose one day, and you're kind of nasally, and then the next day you can feel it move to your lungs. Well, that's what I felt, and so I haven't felt like this since I used to be a smoker. Like, so I feel like it's either a cold or the flu or something, but it doesn't have real serious effects. I have kind of like skin is sensitive a little bit. My skin, I had a little bit of hot cold flashes earlier, and the headache has been there all day. But it's just a mild one. It isn't really. It's just like one of those ones that kind of sit in the back. Loud noises don't really bother it. It's just kind of like there, you know. And that is happening. And then so I missed church today, which sucks, because I really wanted to go today, but I really wasn't feeling good, and I didn't want to chance getting anybody else sick. So there's always next week, you know, and the price of Bitcoin is going to do really well. We are definitely just skyrocketing, and our next price target, if we break out of this wedge right here, I say is 50,000. That's our next resistance, and it might be somewhere at about like 49,800 or something. But I believe if we can break above this resistance right here, this 48.2, then we go to 50. So that's what has to happen with Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's go back into Ethereum, and I just told you my Bitcoin price prediction, so what we're going to do is go to the Ethereum price prediction now, which is, look at that, it's only 70. So it is definitely resetting. I would like to see it go a little bit below that. I'd like to see it, you know, stay below the 70. And then we had a breakout of an ascending triangle right here. That's pretty cool. I didn't even tell you guys that. Well, I told you the ascending triangle, but I didn't tell you that it broke out. So that was pretty cool, and that's on the daily. There was an ascending triangle on the daily that broke out. So if you go back and watch my videos, then yeah. So that's what I was telling you. If this breaks the upside, boom, we're good to go. And we've stayed above that level. Basically, we wicked down below it, but we've been above that level basically ever since. So what is going on in Ethereum right this second? Well, as you can see, I talked about earlier a possible cup and handle pattern forming with Ethereum if it reaches up, you know, to all-time highs before. Then we could see a definite cup and handle pattern that blasts Ethereum or continues it, you know, higher than ever. So that's what we're hoping for. On the 1 hour chart, let's go, you know, zoom in a little bit first. I should have looked at the volume before I did that, but oh well. The RSI on the 1 hour is only 66. It isn't really as significant as on the daily. Look at the volume though. There's just not the volume. So we're a little oversold right now. That's why. So, but we are testing new highs right now for local highs. We are definitely on an upward slope. This is definitely a continuing upward pattern, so it's looking like an ascending wedge on here too. So if you want to see what that looks like this, and then it looks like this. Right there. And we have I always do that. We have an ascending triangle, like and then and. But yeah, ascending triangles all over the place, or ascending wedges all over the place, baby. Those could possibly be good. Look how many times they've touched too. Look, nice touch there, a nice touch there. And then a nice touch there too. So I mean, we've had a good touches on top and bottom. Touch there, touch there, touch there, and touch there. So we've had a lot of good touches. This is definite ascending wedge, and so I think this is possible to break to the upside. It has to break to the downside. It literally has to go back down to $31,000 or $3,171 before we can even think about going lower. So that's just something to think about. Things are looking healthy in all the markets right now, so I'm really liking it. Let's go over here and look at some news today, since I can show you my face and the screens today. Dark web criminals have built a tool that checks for dirty Bitcoin. So I guess they're trying to find dirty Bitcoin and exploit it, maybe? I'm not 100% sure. I don't really want to know a whole lot about that. It doesn't really interest me that much. If it interests you guys, hey, it's right here in Decrypt. Bank of Korea, trading Ethereum. I don't care about drug dealers, so. Here it is. XRP and Ethereum Classic rise 10% amid slight market decline. So, every XRP holder, you are awesome. You did a good job. Congratulations. Pat yourself on the back. XRP and Ethereum Classic both blew up 10% today, despite a 0.52% drop in the global market capitalization of cryptocurrencies. XRP commands $59.13 billion of crypto's $2.1 trillion global market cap, making it the 7th largest cryptocurrency according to data aggregator Nomics. It trades at a price of $1.27, having blown up 10.19% overnight. It peaked at $1.32 on Sunday, its highest price since May. So we're at about $1.31 right now, so we are almost at another all-time high since May. Pretty cool stuff. XRP's rally has been building momentum over the last few days. On Friday, it posted a 6% increase, and by Saturday morning, it had made overnight gains of 11.38%. Yeah, look at it, 130 right now. So it's up 124% this month. 7 days, we're looking at 66, and it is actually down on a daily. So we were actually at $1.33. Okay, well, it said $1.31, so who knows? So yeah, Ethereum Classic grew by 10.4% overnight. The Ethereum fork, which was launched in 2016. So it currently trades at 70.39, guys. And Ethereum Classic is continuing to rise. Remember when this was like, $4, $3, $2 over on Express Crypto? Like not even that long ago, this was that cheap? I just can't believe it, man. You guys are freaking awesome. I really hope that everything's going well with you guys. I'm having a really awesome time doing these live streams and talking with you guys, having a wonderful time just hanging out and, doing these kind of things with you guys. So while I have a few of you here, I want to talk about the contest that we are having. And I know most of you already went over there and voted, so I want to give you an update. What we are doing, since I wasn't able to advertise the contest, I am going to extend the voting period for either till Wednesday or Friday, depending on when I see the viewership stop and the comments stop going and like the ads not working as well anymore. So, so far the ads haven't done really well because I already had another ad. It's just a long story. So, but basically Wednesday or Friday, we will definitely be doing that. So, yeah, look forward to that. If you haven't, go over there and vote. And please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're not, leave a comment if you want to ask me any questions about projects, about where you think Bitcoin is going. I can give you everything except financial advice over here. Which is crazy because we're talking about cryptocurrency, but that's okay. I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah. So, what else? Let's see what people are saying over here in the chat. Cheers to you too. Oh, seems a bit glitchy. No, it's not. It's not your side, Etheros. Because it was saying over here that at 6:47 there was an error and it was kind of glitchy. I wonder, has it gotten better since then? I hope, because it says the stream is healthy now, but I don't know. Yes, vote for Askio, he says. I can't tell you who to vote for, but that's what he said. Oh, hey Cherry, what's up, yo? Surabaya City, Indonesia. Stay tuned. I love it. From all over the world, my peeps from everywhere. I can't thank you guys enough for coming by. Let me hit up the Telegram group. These guys might be sleeping. They helped me out with a huge issue we were having, trying to figure out why they weren't letting me play the banner competition on Google Ads. And so basically all of us got together and figured it out together. And finally it worked, and now we were able to get the ad running. But everybody might be sleeping right now because, you know, it was pretty late their time and pretty early my time too. And so we basically spent a couple hours watching the video at double speed. Check out my videos at double speed if you haven't, especially the ones that I talk really, really fast. They are actually really interesting if you hear me talk really fast and you press the double speed. I guarantee that it isn't going to sound like a chipmunk, but it could go really fast because I can speak it really fast at times. If you really want to hear that, I can do that. You know, try double speed. Let me go over to Telegram, like I said. Hopefully some of these guys are awake. I don't even know if I shared it over to my Twitter yet. No, I didn't. I'm not going to promote the link in here, but I'm just going to let them know live stream is on right now. Let's see, guys. I'm giving away an NFT to one of you in the chat right now because I wasn't able to get the live stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you a question. And let me think of what it is. Okay, I got it already. I got the question. And I'm going to type it right here in the chat. What WWE superstar has a slogan out of nowhere? You can either tell me the name of the superstar or the name of the move. If you answer that question, you get an NFT, you get 0.2 Tezos, and you get money from an NFT marketplace. The slogan is out of nowhere. And no, it is not John Cena. Ooh, he would be mad if he heard you say that. Oh man, that would really make this guy mad. That's funny. He's been in wrestling just as long as John Cena, if not longer, if that helps. I will give you that clue. If you're watching, you get the clue. Hustle, loyalty, respect. I like those mantras, man. Those are good mantras to have. Bitcoin is doing really good. I wanted to get people over here, excuse me, for the live stream. What did you guys think about Pup Doge? It hasn't pumped yet. I never got your guys' opinion. I'd like to hear your opinion on my investment in Pup Doge. Not as a financial advisor to me, but, you know, what do you guys think? I think it might have been a smart investment over time. I think it's going to suffer a little bit in the short term, but I think it hasn't had a spike yet. So I'm thinking that I can probably at least 10x my money. So I'm hoping to make at least $600 off this. Right now, I turned $60 into about $25. So I lost $35 on Pup Doge so far already. So I'm going to hold it now. What's the worst that could happen? I mean, I guess it could go down to like 10 bucks. If it goes below $10, I'm cashing out. I'm not going to let them take all of my money. But yeah, if it goes down to $10, it basically has no future. You know, with what I have over 3 billion, and then I have like 4.5 billion tokens right now, worth about $26. So if it goes down 16 more dollars, which is a lot for this coin, I mean, it would have to go down a real lot, and then I'm just gonna sell it. I'm serious. I'm at least getting $10 back. But if it goes up like 100x or even 1,000x, it could. With the market cap and with how many coins there are, it could. So that would be cool if it blasts off out of nowhere. What do you guys think? Not Undertaker either. Okay, I'll give you one more clue. Let me see. Without giving it away. He was part of Evolution. That probably won't help unless you're a WWE fan. He was part of Evolution with Ric Flair and Triple H and Batista. That only leaves one person. But I guess I should have done the question about crypto and not wrestling, because most people don't know about wrestling. So let's do crypto. New question then. Okay, we're not going to do this one since people gave up. It was Randy Orton. Randy Orton. So this is the question I'm going to ask. It's a new one. It's going to be about crypto this time, though. Let me see. Oh, I did a video about it earlier. What is Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain called? Yeah, I figured this is a crypto audience, not a WWE audience. But hey, sometimes they go hand in hand, because crypto is like young millennial males, young millennial females, and so is wrestling most of the time. So they kind of go hand in hand. Um, but I kind of like this stream. You guys, is it still grainy, or is it still hard for you to follow along? Is it glitching for you guys, or is the stream nice and healthy like my normal live streams? Um, Let me know in the comments, please, just so I know if this is going to be good going forward, or if... Yes, RKO! He got it, the RKO, Randy Orton. I hear voices in my head, they talk to me, they understand, they talk to me. They tell me things that I would do, they tell me things I do to you, they talk to me. That's Randy Orton's theme song. It is still a bit glitchy at times, okay. This is their way, I think, to get people to pay for the paid version. It kind of sucks because I want to have quality content, and that's the only way that this channel is going to keep growing, especially once we get over 1,000 or more subscribers. Yeah, it would be nice to have my teeth, because when people come in that aren't from the channel and they see me not having teeth, it definitely affects the audience. I would probably get about twice as many people if I had my front teeth. It's sad, but that's just the way the world is, you know, and so that's okay, though. I have knowledge about crypto. I can help make you money, not financially advising you. But yeah, so what is Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain called? Whoever can answer that question will get they will get the NFT. Here, let's go take a look at it now that you're able to see this stuff, guys, this is what I'm going to give you right here. So it's an NFT right here. It's not really going to tell you much about it. This is what it is right here, Mercury. It doesn't even give you what it looks like. Oh, that's funny. How do I get out of here now? But yeah, so it has music and a visual, and that's the contract address. So, and I can send it to you. There's this amount of Tezos in here. I think it's like around $1 or something, less than $1. But you get the NFT, you get this. I'm not going to say it because it sounds like something that you don't want to say. I think that might have been one of the reasons the ad didn't work, is because of this word that I said. If you say it in your head a couple times, you'll know what I'm talking about. Think of a sensitive event that sounds like this. Think of a school. That's the only hint I'm going to give you. But I think that might have either been the reason or another thing that was said in the chat. I don't know. But this is what you'll get. You'll get the 1.3 of this, maybe worth money one day, who knows. Then you'll get the NFT, and you get 0.221982 Tezos. So whoever answers the question over there, the first one to do it gets the stuff that I just mentioned. So let's see. He copied Stone Cold. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. They have different personalities, though, for sure. He might have copied him in some of the stuff, but what should we be expecting as the volatile coin this week? What should we be expecting as the volatile coin this week? Okay, well, look at Bitcoin breaking out! Yes, guys, look at this right as we speak. We broke out of the ascending wedge right here. So this is amazing. Hopefully that is a breakout instead of, I mean, if we went up here, this is still technically resistance right here. But as the farther out you go, right, even to right here, right there, and then there, so that is definite. I think that's a breakout. What do you guys think? Oh, 48, baby. 48, let's see. I think we need to get over this point right here. And then I think that will be the breakout. 48.1. But you know how we gradually climbed up this time instead of, just blasting off like we did right here with one big, because we had big blast off. Kind of blast off. And then sell off. Oh, okay, let's buy a little more. Sell off. And then blast off. Actually, slow buy-in. That isn't blast off. That's a slow buy-in. This is kind of a little bit faster, but still kind of a slow up and down. You see the wick up there. And then boom, we get this one. This is the one that we want. And this one, look at it push up. Oh, come on, push that line. You can do it. Push it real good. So 47.9. Yes. The coins are volatile. I see Bitcoin at 50,000 this week. I see Ethereum possibly at, we're going to probably go up to, if we can break over this line, let's say. If we can break out of this resistance right here for Ethereum, it's going to go to $3,500. So that's the next stop for Ethereum, if we can break out of this ascending wedge right here. And Bitcoin is already on its way to 50,000. In my opinion, we're going to keep going higher. We're going to keep doing this. This is awesome. We're starting to get more volume in here. When this volume confirms the breakout, we will definitely be going to $50,000. We're going to have huge resistance at 50,000, guys. So if we hit 50, we might end up having to go back down to 48 and touch it again, right? Like we just did with 48 to 60. So that could be a possibility. We might go to 48, though, and then, or not 48, but we might go to 54 and then back down to 50. But we might go to 50 and touch the 48 again. So we seem to be moving up kind of slow, as you see lately. We started blasting off, and then we kind of took it easy. and then had a retest. Blasted off, sideways a little, down, retest. Blast off. So what does that say now? We still have more blast off coming. Then we're going to go sideways a little bit, and then we'll have a retest if this pattern keeps. So I think the two things that I think that could happen with Bitcoin is 54,000, bounces back down to 50,000, and then whatever happens from there. That's what I don't know, 54 to 50. But we could also just hit 50 depending on what kind of resistance we have up there and how hungry the whales are. You know, look at how, now we're already below 48 again. There is some serious resistance right here. So actually, if we break above this, we might go to 54. Because this is some serious resistance right here. So that being said, you know, good things are in the works for Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going to be volatile. Yeah, it's going to have ups and downs. But if you are a long-term, strategic, dollar cost average, buy the dip, you're going to succeed every time. That's my not financial advice to you. So, yeah. That's how I do it. That's how the smart people do it. That's how you make money in cryptocurrency. So, let's go back over to the comments. Great question. Great question. Got me thinking, dude. See, when you guys ask good questions, it produces good answers out of me. That's why we need a big community. Because then I can, you know, answer thoughtful questions that get, like, real knowledge out of me. Like, I didn't even know I knew that, but thanks for, you know, pulling that out of me. So, oh, close. Oh, you're right, Askio Owen, you got it. BTCB. And you watched the video. You were the first one to get it. So you get this. Let's send it to you right now. Askio, I'm going to give you the private key to this. And this will be yours from now on. Do you want the private key? Yes. Well, I'm going to give it to you. That's all. That's how I'm going to give it to you. So, I can't do it on live stream right now because it'll show to everybody. And I don't want to show the key to everybody. So, I'm just going to give you the key to this. And then I'll make a new account later or something. But, yeah. Good job. Pump it up. Pump. Where will the market be heading in the next 2 days? That's where I think it'll be. I think we're, the market in whole, is that what you mean, or Bitcoin? So the market in the whole is going to kind of follow Bitcoin, right? Now altcoins are a different story, right? The altcoins are kind of getting overheated right now, in my opinion, guys. I think we are going to have to see a little bit of a cool-off period for the altcoins. That's my opinion right now. I think they all went up really fast, even faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's what I really think is going to happen. I really see a promising future for altcoins, but they're oversold right now, and a lot of interest is flowing into them out of everything else. And as Bitcoin goes up, a lot of the interest is going to go out of altcoins and into Bitcoin, because that's the way it works. When Bitcoin gets overheated and oversold, the money starts flowing into altcoins, right, that aren't overheated and oversold. That's how the money, that's why a lot of the money is in USDT and USDC. Well, I don't know about USDC anymore, because now they're saying they can't even back that with the dollar, but that's another story. But yeah, that's why the market is flooded with USDT, and they use that to buy Bitcoin, and then when they sell their Bitcoin, they do it to the stable coin. When they're going to buy their altcoin or whatever they're going to do with their money, they send it back into the stable coin. So that's what I think is going to happen here. I think a lot of the money is going to go out of altcoins right now and into Bitcoin. And then as Bitcoin goes up again and gets overheated and oversold, then I think the altcoin market has cooled off by then. And I think that it could possibly go even higher after that. That's just my opinion, though. That isn't fact, but I'm pretty spot on, with this kind of thing most of the time. The market can do whatever. Like, never hold my word with all authority. You always need to do your research. You always want to look at your own. You want to get like an average set of price. I've told you guys this a lot. When you're dealing with altcoins, especially Bitcoin, it's important too, and Ethereum, of course. But altcoins, this is the biggest thing that you could ever learn about altcoins, and I'm going to tell you right now. Find an average price. See what the price does in a bull market. See what the price of the coin does in a bear market. Get an average. Think of what the average normal price is in a bull market. Then, when it dips down to that low price, you're like, hey, normally when it goes to this price right here, it goes up. This is like a bottom here. This is like, where we have serious support. Like, not breaking support. Sometimes like at the 50-cent level, or like the 30-cent level with XRP, or like the $1,700 level with Ethereum, stuff like that. Levels that they're pretty solid. They could break, but if they don't, then you are golden. Now, that is the best information that I can give you as a crypto trader, or a crypto investor, crypto holder. Not financial advice, but that is what is going to make you successful 100% of the time. If you dollar cost average, buy the dip, find an average price of whatever coin you are dealing with, Bitcoin, altcoins, and take your profits. You do all of those things, and you will be as successful as I am. So, yeah, good information for you there today. Man, my lungs hurt a little bit right now. It's like, it feels like they're being like squeezed and wrung out. And my throat hurts too. It's like raw. So I hope I don't think it's that one thing that I'm not going to speak about. The thing. What did we say we're going to call it? The event. The event. It's not the event. Litecoin. Okay, let's look at some Litecoin actually. Because, when we have a bull market, people tend to always forget about Litecoin. Now, for a future and a project, yeah, it has some stability. I also think it has some issues, right, with the fundamentals. And that's why there was so many hard forks, right? There's a lot of wishy-washiness with the community. But look at Bitcoin 48, baby! Over 48! But yeah, so let's go back to Litecoin. I want to see if it's on Bitstamp. I don't even know. I have not looked at it. Yeah, it is right here. Cool. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Ooh. Guys, it hasn't pumped yet. If you look, this hasn't pumped yet, guys. I mean, look at cup and handle, possible right here, cup and handle. But that's on the 1 hour. But look at that. It's gradually gone up. Yeah, we had a pump right here. And we had a dip, but I think maybe Litecoin might be, when we go into the bull market, look at this volume right here, guys and gals. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how many Litecoin is in your wallet? I used to have a couple Litecoin, actually. You know what? I see Litecoin and possibly Dash going to $1,000 coins. Not in the near future, not financial advice, but solid projects. I don't see why they're so low, honestly. When crypto is mass adopted, these are going to see serious gains unless the project phases out. With Litecoin, there's a definite community behind it, but there's also a lot of haters on Litecoin, and I don't know why. I guess it's the community that, wow, is that 211 Bitcoin right here? Hold on. No, that can't be true. Oh, that's not Bitcoin. That's Litecoin. Okay. I'm like, wait, what? 250 Bitcoin? No, this is Litecoin. Okay, that's still a lot though. 186 Litecoin. Wow, $11,000, 24,000. Yeah, these guys are, doing it big. 210 is a lot. Look at that. It was like $40,000 or something. Litecoin has a bright future. I think it could still pump. We've seen like $400-500 Litecoin, right? So let's go to the daily and see exactly. I don't remember what the high is for Litecoin. Gosh, look at that. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We haven't had a spike yet. This has gradually gone up. For some reason, we're oversold though. That doesn't make sense. It's because that's why. It's because we're under the 200-day moving average on Litecoin. And we closed below it. So I would wait for a dip with Litecoin. I would not buy Litecoin right now at all. Not financial advice, but this is not the time to buy Litecoin. Look at that. It's below the 200-day moving average. And it closed below it. So, yeah, maybe if it dips and goes back up, that's a possibility, especially if the market keeps going. But for right now, I would wait and see if it breaks out of this 200-day moving average. I don't want to over talk. I don't want to over, exert the crowd. Has a logo, loser. A loser logo. Oh, goodness gracious. $50-50, okay? I love you guys, dude. You're awesome. I think you should really cover POS coins, such as but not limited to RDD, TRX. I think that's a good idea. Okay. Now, so you think that I should do the smaller coins? I wouldn't call them POS coins, but some people would. I actually think these are pretty decent, but yeah. Do you think that I should do it in like one video per community? Because each one of these has a community, right? And that's the thing. If I'm going to grow my channel, I need to pinpoint what community that I'm representing. And basically, I basically represent all crypto communities. So anybody is welcome here, no matter what crypto you like, no matter, anything. So it depends. Maybe I'll do them one by one. If you guys want to see me do them all in a video like this one, I could cover more things at once. That's why the interaction is so important. That's why I love the live streams, because when we do this, right, it feeds off. We feed off of each other. I answer questions in a positive, good way, which makes it to where that you ask me, where did that come from? Ask me, where you ask me intelligent questions that make me think, and therefore I produce better content, and then you therefore produce better questions. So I see 6 people on right now. If you haven't already, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and do a backflip if that is humanly possible for you. Just kidding. Do not try that at home. Don't break your neck. But maybe when Bitcoin goes to 100K, we might be doing backflips uncontrollably. It's creaky. See, that's why I was worried about this. You're the second person who has told me that the video is creaky and that it's kind of buffery. That's not fair to you guys. I don't see. I try to be able to show you the screen, and then it affects my viewers, and I don't want to do that. So I might have to figure out something else. OBS was a good idea. Maybe it's my laptop. I'm thinking it's my laptop. It is a pretty cheap laptop, guys. It's a Lenovo, is what it is. It's a Lenovo. So, The camera looks way better on this stream though, but I can see watching that there's a lag, but there is also buffering. So that sucks. It is creaking buffering, yeah. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Get back. I love when you guys interact together. There's gonna be nothing left. That NFT might be worth a lot of money one day, you guys. I know nobody wanted it, and I almost was just gonna hold on to it, but I already told you guys I would give it to one of you, so I'm gonna do that. It will soon, yes, it will, because it hasn't pumped yet, bro. All coins in a bull rally pump one time or another. So if a coin hasn't pumped yet, there is a very high likelihood that it is going to continue to go up and to pump. Oh, duh, proof of stake. Dude, I know that. I don't know why my mind went there. I'm sorry. Duh, POW, oh my goodness, man. You got me. My brain, wow. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I knew that. Proof of stake. Whoops. That's funny to me. POS. Yeah, my mind went in the gutter, dude. I'm like, you really think they're a piece of garbage coins, man? Yeah, I know what proof of stake is. That's so funny that I missed that. That's cool. So yeah, we're not going to stay on for a lot longer. I thank all of you for coming. I do want to, before we go, I want to take a look at the contest just in case you guys haven't joined yet. This is my Bitcoin Renegade Gleam contest. Ooh, you get to see my email. Oh well. And hopefully it'll take me into the contest here. Oh, it doesn't want to work. Okay, well, while that loads, I just want to go over this one more time with you guys. This is the $30 500 subscriber voting competition for the banners that you awesome community members created. Now we have 75 comments so far. We have 332 views. We're going to let this run till at least Wednesday, maybe Friday, depending on if the Google ads work. If we get it to like 4,000 or 5,000 views by tomorrow night, then we're just going to do it tomorrow night. We'll see what happens. It all depends on how the video does and how many comments. I want us to double the comments. I think we can do it, especially putting it as an ad. Because the last one got 120 comments, 747 views. We were only at 250 subscribers. We have doubled that. So I can see us doubling the views and doubling the comments as well, at least. So hopefully it'll show me this contest now. Okay, no, it's not going to. And I'm not going to. Oh, there it goes. Right when I'm getting ready to give up. Oh, then it disappeared again. What the heck is going on here? It's playing games. I don't like playing games. We're down to 47,743 again. Okay, well, anyway, guys, I'm not waiting for this anymore. I'm actually going to just shut it off. Because I don't like it when stuff doesn't work. So what we're going to do, I am Gonna tell you just about it right here. There is 2 Gleam competitions that are in every single description, and the next contest is going to be at 1,000 subscribers. And it's going to be a Gleam contest. Enter in the description below. All you have to do to enter is to be a part of the Bitcoin Renegade family. Just smash the subscribe button and follow me on all the social media platforms through Gleam, and they will give you entries into the contest. Now, there's a $50 giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, but once we reach 100,000 subscribers, right, then we are going to go to give a $6,000 reward. We're going to give away Bitcoin, we're giving away an Ethereum, and we're giving away a bunch of Cardano. So that's how you enter those. One more last talk in the, so I think you're right. I think I should actually do a video on the difference between proof of stake and proof of work. I don't know if that's going to work, because when I tried to show people the difference between Binance Coin and Bitcoin, they kind of just said, no, we don't like that video very much. We're not going to watch it, and I don't care what you say. Alright guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!